hands together. And 你好. I would like to hear that 师父好. Do you remember?
Yes.
师父好. That means me, and then I'm your teacher, 师父. Okay, everybody. And
师父好.
thank you. 大家好. That means everybody. Thank you. Okay, and we get to the last form, which is the cross hands. And let's starting from the stretch wings on the left side. Then we get into the last form, the cross hands. And the wings, we did the first ones on the right. On my right and on your right, okay? And the same one, we're gonna do the other side, which is go to the right first and step back, do the same thing turn to the left and back to the front. The first one, we're gonna do the right hand, right fist to the right, and then step forward to the parry, and then punch. After punch, you follow step and push. So from here, you send your left hand out and turn your body to the right. Pull your left foot in like a fist. So the right hand like a fist, left hand like a fist. Then deflect, and then parry on the right, and then punch. Back there, and step out, circle in, ready to push. But before the form, every form, the beginning, we would do the lotus flower openers. And let's do that together. And the hands back together. And then open up. Inhale. Exhale, open all the way. Inhale, slowly come back. Exhale, put the palms together. Inhale first, and exhale, pull down to your chest. So the first movement is golden dragon, shake his tail. Step wide, your toes pointed out, and hands in front of you. Put the palms together. And inhale first, have the fingers spread. And exhale, go to your left, and with the fingers closed. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, back to center. Exhale, go to the other side. And keep inhale and exhale. Okay, let's welcome Roger to the stage. Show us and what you do if you want to sit down to do the exercises. Thank you, Roger. Yeah.
It's important to understand that you can do this exercise in standing or sitting. The standing posture, you should already be there. Feet parallel, knees soft, buttocks muscles relaxed down, crown point suspended, and you stand tall, but you let your shoulders hang down. If you're sitting, you move toward the edge of the chair so the sit bones are underneath the front part, and then you sit tall. And you have your hands a comfortable distance apart. And we focus on the palms of the hands. And then we begin to breathe and move the hands with the breath. So we inhale up, and we exhale down. You can inhale through your nose, exhale through your mouth, or whatever way you feel comfortable with. And you can feel the energy move through your center line, and you can feel the pressure on the bottom of the feet change. You feel with your toes as your balance moves on a rolling ship. Last one from this side. Last one from this side. Bring your hands and feet back toward neutral. Maybe you'll feel some pressure under your hands right now. That's a good sign. Let the fingers point toward each other. And we close the form. Julie, your turn.
So you can use your thumb and massage inside the center of your palm. That we call, do you remember what they call? Lao Gong. Lao Gong, Lao means work, Gong means palace. You work on your work palace. And also the fingers too. Just squeeze from bottom and up. Push all the blood get to your fingertip. That is the part you want to warm up, want the qi get to the end. Work on your palms, put over your eyes, and receive the warmness from your palm, from Lao Gong.